Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And if some of you have watched enough of my videos, you know I don't like the power clip and I like to intersect. Somebody's trying to do this, but it's just not working. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to grab this and go object, order, front of page. That might have been the problem. Then I'm going to intersect it. Yep, that's the problem. So he was having that problem. So I still like intersect better than power clipping. Now I'm going to take that square away. And the reason for that is the order that you drew. Let's just make an example. Let's take this and go intersect. And it didn't work that time because that square is underneath it. So we need to go to object, order, front of page. And then when we intersect it, well, I didn't give it time to intersect. Well, you know what? Maybe I didn't even intersect it. I was trying to go too fast. Now, I would suggest you move your box over. And probably the quickest way to do this, if you're going to do all three sides, take this and go object, order, back a page. Then when you do this, the other one is going to be on top. Let me get that cube out of the way I made previously. So this is just one of his problems. And I'm going to get to the second one. Well, my computer's getting so slow, or it's not really that slow, it's just that it's got so much, you've got so much graphic going on, and I'll get rid of this. But he's having trouble putting color. So, and you could make this probably match up, make the edges look like it was really wrapped in paper. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page. And look at that. The color shows through. So we could do this one with, let's just pick some weird colors. And see, it's putting it on the top, but if we go Object, Order, Back a Page, it does it correctly. Let's do one more. Let's do a yellow. So I think I saw both of his problems in one video, hopefully. Yep, it worked. Now, and you could make your outlines thicker by selecting it all. And see, you have no outline because it doesn't know what you're picking, but we could go, like that. And you could change make it all black. And there you go. Hope that helped them. Thank you for watching.